So today I'm going to show you how to make a cute and quick easy DIY tree. So I'm just going to use this vase that is already shaped, like a Christmas tree-ish. So it's going to make it easy. And I'm taping a red ribbon at the bottom to give it the illusion of a stand. So we're going to take a garland and just wrap around it, and the ends will just tuck it under like so. Then next I'm using this ribbon to create, I want to create a bow tie kind of thing. So I just send each side the opposite direction, or each each ribbon the opposite direction, and just knot it at the middle right there. So this is gonna give it a cinching look. So I used a sewing thread, nothing special there. So you're gonna knot it and secure it properly and trim off every excess thread that will be poking out. So I'm gonna repeat this again. This is if you want the double bow look or a fuller bow look. So this is I was trying to be detailed here, so in case you don't know how to make a bow, this will be super helpful for that. So each time for the second time you send the opposite direction, you will knot each time again, just to be sure and to give that really cinching look at the center there. So trim off every excessive thread and slant the ends of the ribbon, so it's gonna give it that cute bow look. So for the star, this is not a star, I don't know what this is, but just overlook that. I later altered it. So take a broomstick and just tape it at the end for our star. So for the same bow, I'm using a larger ribbon to create a second piece of bow, because I want different color, or colors in variation in colors rather. So I'm just slanting the ends as well, and it's time to decorate the tree. So I have this little decor and I put on the bow, and you can see the star I later changed it to, and this is what we have. So give this a try. It was so easy. So bye.